Hi all, welcome to John's Bottle Lake, and today we got the U96 U boat, kit 36. There we go. This consists of the central periscope. It's that little piece there and that little piece. Now we'll put them together first, and we'll put them onto this deck head here. This is after kit 35. We have this bulkhead as well, which has been nicely put together, looking superb. Excellent. Now, as always with this kit, we don't know what the parts are. Obviously there's a lot of hand wheels, so we can easily find out what they are, but at least we know what the central periscope is, but all the rest of the other parts, I'm afraid not. So you never know, there might be something in this book. I've been having a look, see if I could find what all the controls are, but unfortunately it doesn't go down to that detail. Not from what I've found anyway at the moment. But anyway, without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have the parts. We'll get them all out. There we go. Those are all the parts. That is frame 36.1. This is the central periscope 36.2 and 36.3. They're basically pushed together. There's it's not going to be a tight fit, that, so we'll have to glue that, I'm afraid. But there we go. That will go here, there, I believe, something like that. Anyway, but first of all I need to take it apart again and pop some glue on it. We'll do that in a minute. Then we have 36.4, 36.5, then we have all this pipe work, and then 36.10 and this hand wheel 36.11. That's a lovely piece of kit as well, components anyway. Okay, let's pop this periscope back together again. We don't need a fantastic lot of glue. It's a little bit there. It was this end that was loose, basically. Pop that little bit there, and then it's just a matter of fit this over the top. And the most important thing is to get the orientation right on the deck head. Now we can see that painted detail, so we'll go that way. Excellent. So we get that glued. Doesn't need a fantastic lot, as always. Get that the right way around and get that into position. There we go. That'll need a minute to set, and then we need to get on with the rest of the build. Next piece we need is this one, which is 36.11. This is the exhaust valve hand wheel. That fits just there like that. You can see it's quite loose, so we'll pop a little bit of glue on that and pop that into place. There we go. Excellent. There we go. So that's that hand wheel in place and that periscope. That's nice and solid now. Next we need this pipe 36.8, which will go into 1, 2, 3 holes, and that will go at the back of there, like so. There we go. That goes just like that. Excellent. Everything in place. So we'll get that glued into place. Okay, let's put this back into here. That one in there, there, and there. Excellent. I just need that to set now. Excellent. That's that pipe work. Now we need to take these hand wheels off 36.4. Do that with this knife. Just be careful with how you do take it off. Right, these N2 are F, these 3 here are G, and these 3 are H. Now we need the 2 end pieces off first. Just trim this up. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. You can always touch these up because it does take a bit of paint off when you take it off the sprue. Excellent, let's get them into place. These two will go into that hole there and that hole there. So that one will go that way around, I think. There we go. And we'll go there, and that one will go there like so. I don't think they're going to come out really. So pop some glue on the back. You only need a little bit. There we go. I'll keep them in place. Excellent. Now we need some more hand wheels. There we go. These two smaller ones are H, and these two medium sized ones, which are larger than H, are G. Now the two H hand wheels go in here and here. The two G wheels will go in there. I think that's a little bit loose, that, and here. There we go. That's the position of those four hand wheels. One there, one there. So those two are G, those two are H, and that one is very loose. So I need to glue it all in now. So we just pop a little bit of glue into these holes. You don't need a great deal. There we go. Should be enough. Awkward as always. Do 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 do. There we go, they do go in eventually. Oops. Flip round. Let's see. There we go. And that one, which was the loose one, let's give that a turn. That should set nicely now. Alright, give that a sec now. Next we need frame 36.5, which are these four pieces. We needed this one and this one at the moment. Get these off here. Put that to one side for now. Now this one will go here, just like that, and this piece will go here. And you can see there's a little cutout as well, so that fits nicely like that. Okay, let's get a little bit of glue into there and just around there. Now, this piece, there is, as you can see on this piece, that notch inside. Yeah, how it's shaped. Just make sure you get this the right way around when you put it on the deck head. There we go, that's that in place. There we go, so it fills that gap. It won't go the other way obviously. And pop that into there. Excellent. Now we need these two pieces off here, because they will go onto the end of here, that pipe work. So that and that come together, and they will go onto the end of that pipe work. Filly as it is, I'll have to get them glued. So I'll just pop a little bit of glue on to there and combine these together. There we go. Get that closed up. And once that is fully dry, it will go on to here, like that. Okay, let's get this little piece onto here, onto this piping, just there like so. Get that positioned nice and bonny like that. There we go. Yeah, so that's nicely squared up. Give that a second to set, and this piping will go here, here and here. Have it this way around, and can get this into position, get that in there. Awkward as it is. There we go, get that lined into there, and that is how that will go. Okay, now pop some glue into them holes. We can get all three back in place. There we go. There we go. I think I should go with the curvature there. If you can imagine it when it's in place. There we go. There's your central periscope and that piping there. Okay, next we need 36/7, which is this piping, which will go into this position here, just like that. So we'll get some glue on to them. Only two little connections on this one, so pop that in there, around there. Then we've got another frame to take more parts off next, and we'll get that into position again. There we go. Excellent. Give that a second now. Next we need this frame, 36/1. I need to take all of these parts off here. Okay, for these pieces we need A, C and D. A is this piece, that goes in there like so, and C goes over the top, holding A into place. And oh, that has actually gone together nice. Don't think we need any glue for that. And then we need E, which is this piece, which will go in to there. Now we will need to glue that piece. Okay, let's pop some glue into here, and we'll pop some glue around here because B goes on to there. Now make sure you get this the right way around, because it goes like that. I think I need a little bit more glue there. So E goes there and B sits over the top, just like that. Now we need one of the little hand wheels. We need H off here to pop into there. Okay, let's pop some glue into there, and then we can get this little hand wheel in place. There we go. That looks brilliant. Just need to give that a minute to set. It's looking excellent. And now we need to pop that into this slot here with the hand wheel in that direction of the deckhead. Push that into place. There we go. So B is actually glued into the deckhead, and that will look just like that. Now we need to get these wheels off this frame. Okay, I'll pop that to one side. The larger one is M and these two small ones are N. The two small ones basically, one will go into there and the other will go into there. And this one is going to fit just like that. That's brilliant. It's a loose fit, that one, so it will need gluing, and this one will go, well, it will do once I get it in. into there like so, and the larger one will go into, there we go. That's those three in place. Now we'll get them glued. Pop some glue into that hole there for this one, and we're done then. There we go. Excellent detail on this deckhead. Brilliant. There we go. That looks superb. Now we need to get these two off here because they go on to this piping. Okay, doke. We've got them off that sprue. Now the large one of these hand wheels goes on to there like so. So we just have this small hand wheel just there like that. Now I'll get these glued into place. Just a little bit of super glue with a lovely little cocktail stick. I'm going to get that nice and straight. There we go. That looks brilliant. And here we have, from 36.4, frame 36.4, the final hand wheel, which is G. Nearly missed this one out on the build. There we go, that's going back to step 8. Excellent, that just goes there. So I need to get that glued in place, and then we are complete. So we just need a little bit of glue onto this hand wheel and in chip ups. Get me tweezers out. There we go, excellent. There we go, brilliant. So that is the deckhead complete. Nearly forgot that little one. Only when I came to throw the sprue away I've noticed I still had it on. Don't know, I missed that. Must be getting there. Old age. Put it down to old age. Excellent stuff. There we go. So that is kit 36 complete. Brilliant. Looking fantastic. And not forgetting, there we go, the rest of this month's pack, the bulkhead and that pipe with those two green hand wheels, and that will eventually go like that. Looking excellent. Brilliant. That is it for this month. That is kit 36. Lovely jubbly. So there we go guys, that is it. That is kit 36. Looking real excellent stuff. There's that pipe with those two hand wheels on. Keep that for a later kit. Excellent. Now you've already seen the bulkhead. Looking fantastic. Excellent. And I've shown you which way this goes as well. We'll go on like that. So when we come to view it, do it the other way around. Make an idiot of myself. Let's see if I can line that up. There we go. That goes just like that. Looking brilliant. Lots of lovely detail on it. It's a pity they don't tell you exactly what each component is, except for the hand wheels. Yeah, and they're nice and straight as well. Brilliant. Excellent. Anyway, there we go. So that is it for this month for the U96 submarine. Pack 10 I think is, well, June next year. It's June next year, next month. 7th of June is the next process date for that. So we're not too far off really. Another 3 weeks and we're back onto it again. Excellent stuff. Anyway, there we go. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.